What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can use your Canon M50 camera as a webcam on sites like Zoom, Google Meet and other sites where you need a camera to stream or live stream. Alright, that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Hello guys, welcome back, and as I said, I'll show you how you can use your M50 camera as a webcam. Why would you need to use your camera or your M50 or whatever camera you have as a webcam? And one of the reasons is to improve on the image quality. This is because when you have your camera, you're able to tweak the settings within the camera and then improve on the appearance of your photo while you're live or while you're streaming, rather than using the built-in webcam for your laptop. So in this case, it helps to boost the quality of your image while you're live streaming or you're streaming using your camera. So in this case, I'm going to first go ahead and download this software. It is the EOS WEBCAM Utility, as you can see right here. And I'll go ahead and leave this link in the video description. So go ahead and tap on that link and you come directly onto this site. So once you're onto this site, go ahead and scroll all the way. And as you can see, it works both on Windows and then Mac. In this case, I'm using Windows. I'll select Windows. As you can see, if it's Mac, you tap on Mac. However, it's Windows, I'll tap on Windows. And then I'll scroll all the way down. And as you can see, these are some of the applications that this utility supports. As you can see, all of those. So I'll scroll all the way down. And then I choose the type of camera that I have. So in this case, I have an EOS camera. If you have a PowerShot camera, go ahead and select that. So in this case, I will select EOS camera. And then I'll look for M50. So I have an M50 EOS M50. So I'll go ahead and tap on that. And then once you tap on that, make sure that you've selected the right camera, EOS M50. So I'll scroll down. And then on this section of drivers and downloads, make sure you select software. So don't select drivers, firmware, neither utilities. Go to software. And once you tap on software, so they'll present you with a variety of softwares, as you can see. Scroll all the way down and you look for, so scroll down and look for EOS WEBCAM Utility. As you can see, it's right here, EOS WEBCAM Utility. So go ahead and tap on select on the right hand side. So this is the software. Go on to the right and then tap on select. So once you tap on select, they request you to go ahead and enter your information. And once you enter your information, they will allow you to go ahead and download it. So I'll go ahead and enter my information and I'll be back. So once you enter your information, your first name, last name, and then your email, they will give you this option to download. Go ahead and download it. So once it's done downloading, go ahead and tap on that. I'll say show in folder. So go ahead and open it up and then go to setup and then tap on open and then go ahead and install it. So in this case, I'm not going to install it because I already installed it onto my device. So for you, go ahead and open it up and then install. So once you install it, you'll be good to go. And once you're done, go ahead and open your streaming service, or your meeting that you want to use the camera as the webcam. So in this case, I will use Zoom. However, you can do Google Meet, you can do Hangouts, you can do, Facebook. In this case, I'll go ahead and start a meeting right here. So I'll go with video on, and then I'll open. So I'll say join with computer audio. So this is the utility that you did download. So in this case, I'm using my M50 camera. So I'll get my micro USB to USB cable, and then I'll go ahead and plug one end into the camera, and then my USB side onto my laptop, and then I'll make sure I turn on my camera. So I'll go ahead and turn on my camera. So I'll go ahead and turn on my camera. So once you turn on your camera, I'll go ahead and mute myself. So I'll go ahead and start video. As you can see, so this is my footage coming from my camera right now. So how do you change to your camera? So as you can see, we have this option for video. Go ahead and tap on that arrow. So in this case, they are showing you your EOS webcam utility. So this is the one for the camera. However, the one for the laptop is the True Vision HD camera. So I will switch to that. And as you can see, this is the camera that comes with the laptop. However, if you want to use the one for the camera, go on to that arrow right there, and then go ahead and tap on EOS webcam utility, and that way you'll be switching the camera that you've turned on that you're using for the video. So I'll go ahead and do EOS webcam utility, and there you go. So I've switched to my camera. So, and as you can see right now, I'm switching to my M50 camera, and with this I can be able to change my settings and then improve the appearance of my video. So with this, I'm able to conduct my meeting, my video call, or I can do my stream right here. Alright, hope you guys were able to follow along and then download your EOS webcam utility and then connect your camera onto your laptop and then use it as a webcam. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I release new videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.